Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I'm going to tell you how you can create free of cost long AI videos, because most of the time when we are going to create AI videos, it is asking for subscription. And if you generally go to make long videos, then you need to pay charges so that you can make that long video. But in this video, I will tell you how you can create AI long videos free of cost without paying any charges or without taking any subscription. So I'm going to take you to my mobile screen. Here I have made one video so that you can see that how you can create and what kind of the AI videos you can create with this method. So let me show you. Just check the screen.
Year-old Lily Moore lived with her parents in a quiet village near a forest. She was told never to go near the forest after sunset, but Lily often heard her name being whispered from the trees at night.
So as you can see that is the AI video which I have made with this method, and in the same way you can make long AI videos without paying any charges. How can you make that video? Let me show you, and let me take to you my laptop screen so that you can learn how you can make these AI videos. Now open Google in your laptop and then go to ChatGPT. Click on first option here. So with the help of ChatGPT, we are going to take the prompt. Go to new chat here, and here you have to give command to ChatGPT to write a story for your animation video. So as you can see that in any language you can give command that you are wanting this kind of story and ask ChatGPT to write the story. Likewise, I have given command to write 200 word horror story of 11-year-old girl. So you can see that it has written the story. Now I have asked ChatGPT to generate image scene wise of this story. So you can see that it is following my command and it is writing the image prompt of this story scene wise. Now we have to give third command to ChatGPT to write the animation prompt according to the image scene that is mentioned above. So it will write the animation prompt for these image, and we will get the scene wise animation prompt. So as you can see that it is writing the prompt for us. Here you can see that entire scene wise animation prompt we got. Now what we have to do so that we get this animated video. So we will minimize this. Go to Google, search for Meta AI, and you will click on Meta AI, and then if it is not login with your ID, you have to log in it. Now it is already logged in my system. Then what you have to do is go to create option. So once you will click on it, you will select the video frame 16:9 standard frame of YouTube. So you will have to select this. Now we will select here the image prompt and we will generate image. So first scene of the image, we will copy it from here. So we will copy this image prompt and then we will paste it here. Now you will have to send, and then you can see that it is generating image. So you can see that it has generated 4 images. Whatever image, whichever you want, you can download it from here. You can see that we have got our first image with that prompt and it has generated image. Now we have to animate this first scene. So for that, what you have to do, we are getting two options below, one of animate and another of custom animate. So we have to custom the animation, then we have to select an option of custom animate here. Click on it. Now here you have to select the scene 1 animation prompt. So we'll go to ChatGPT screen, select the animation prompt of first scene and paste it here. Click on animate. So before that, we'll go to add music. So here, if you want, you can search any music. If you want to add, you can select it from here. Else you can simply click on animate option. So I will select animate here. Now you can see that it is processing and it is generating our video. So on the top, you can see that it has generated the video of first scene. So you can see that it has generated. So go to download option, you can see on the top. So you can see that I have downloaded the first scene. For second scene animation video, we do not have to again generate image. Simply, you will take the screenshot of the last video scene, and here I will take the screenshot of last scene of this first animated video, and I will crop this. You can see I'm doing on the screen, and then download it. So you can see that I have got last scene screenshot. This I'm doing so that I do not have to copy and generate image again and again. So I will go to Meta AI, and here I will click on add media. I'll click on plus sign, and then I will select this screenshot. And now I will select the video option, and here I will go for animation prompt of second scene. So first we have already generated here. Now I will select the second prompt of animation, and then I will paste it on Meta AI. So you can see that here you have to paste the second animation prompt. Click on animate. You can see that our second image video is generating here. So it will continue to generate the second scene video. So you can see that our second scene video generated here. So again, we have to follow the same process. We have to download this second scene video. And again, what we have to do, we have to take the screenshot of last scene of this second video. And in the same way, once you take the screenshot, download it, we will copy the third animation prompt. We will repeat the same process. You have to upload the second video last scene image and write the third animation prompt. Click on animate, and you will see that our third animation scene video is generating. And you can see that now it is processed, and you can see our third scene video generated. So in the same way, you have to take the screenshot of this video last scene, and then you have to download it. Again, repeat the same process. So I'm fast forwarding this video now, and here I will follow the same step of taking the screenshot of last video scene, and I will paste to Meta AI along with the scene animation prompt that we have written on ChatGPT. So you can see that it is continued to making the animation video as per scene we have there in ChatGPT. So you can see that we have generated 4 to 5 video here. Now I'm fast forwarding this video to continue till my last animation scene, and I'll generate the last animated video here. Now you can see that we have generated entire animation video of entire scene for which we had given command to ChatGPT. So we have generated entire scene video here. Now we will go to Google AI Studio to generate audio here. So we will log in it here, and then we will select single speaker audio here. Now we will go to our ChatGPT and here we have to copy the story which is written by the chat gpt initially. So we will copy entire story from here, and then we will paste it here. You can select any ai audio here. Now click on run. So you can see that it is generating audio here, and you can see that it has generated audio for our story, and we will download it from here. Whichever platform you are using to create your video, so there you can use this animated video which you have downloaded in your system, and you can use this animated audio just we have created. So with the help of this, you can create any of the story video, and you can generate both animation video and audio to create your story. So how easy it is, and I have informed you entire thing step by step. So I hope you like this video. If yes, give thumbs up. Be part of basics with Meeta so that you'll updated with my upcoming videos, and also you will get this important tech related videos so that you can help you out. So till then, take care, have a great time.